The buyout people were famous in the early days for cutting costs, laying people off, shipping jobs offshore. That world has changed a bit, but what do you actually do? What is your secret sauce? When you buy a company, do you go in and lay people off, or do you say we're going to hire more people? What do you actually do that makes these companies so valuable?
I can tell you in one sentence how we pursue our mission. That is, we are in the business of turning great innovators into great businesses. And that means the following. We get to buy companies that have revenues, say between 500 million and $1 billion, that are market leaders in these three segments of enterprise software that I described, that are growing at 10 to 20%, where most of their revenues are recurring, that are deeply embedded in their customer bases, that have proven ability to innovate and do something really, really important for these enterprises. Now, at the same time, these companies are not making much profits. We come in with our model, which includes not only metrics and processes that can be copied, with our culture, our philosophy, everything we've learned over 25 years and even longer through our predecessor firm. And we're able to operate these companies at 40% margin, best-in-class buyouts, while fulfilling their innovation goals and their growth goals. How we do that is our secret sauce.
Now, in the traditional private equity world, the CEOs who run the companies that are bought by private equity firms, they're often not the CEOs at the end of the transaction. In 5 or 6 years or so, they've moved on or they've been replaced. In your business, because you have a special model, do you keep the CEOs and train them how to do what you want, or do you get somebody else to be the CEO of the company?
The former. And that's part of our secret sauce, is we really, really work hard in trying to marry existing managements and existing CEOs' knowledge of their business, following from their employees, and they have been, as I mentioned, they have delivered great innovation and growth. We try to marry that with a private equity and fundamental approach to operating. When we do that, and when we do that well, that's when you get the absolutely best outcomes, because you're backing people that know their space so well and that live and breathe it every day. Now, it's not always possible. There are many deals that we come into the equation and there's not a match between the CEO and us. They want to do something different. We're speaking a different language. And in those cases, if we like the business enough, we will openly proceed with it with a different plan.